All right, dryer maintenance. See this dryer tube, 4-inch flex line. That was hooked up to the back of the dryer. Then obviously, like a lot of people, this thing runs up the cement wall and then it goes through a 90-degree connector and outside. But over the years, this all gets clogged up with lint, and sadly, it's an extremely common house fire problem. So, with that said, my friend Roy, I already cleaned this section out, hooked me up with this kit right here, the Lint Wizard. There you go, you can see it right there. Various super flexible brushes. So what you'll notice is the shop vac is set up into that fitting right there. So I'll turn that on momentarily, and then I'm gonna go outside. I'll show you what I have out there, and basically just slowly ream this entire thing out, and it spins and it gets rid of all the lint. I checked inside the base of the dryer. I got that completely clean, so it's flawless. It's like you're doing a new install by the time you're done with this thing. So I'm gonna start the vacuum up, head outside, show you how this works. Okay, I already removed the vent plate here. Rinsed this all out, got it spotless. You can hear the vacuum running in there. So that was just sheetrock screwed, and it fits into this 4-inch hose, and then I had some duct seal around it, which I'll redo. So now I'm gonna take another drill that I have with the extension pieces and the bristle and bore this out while the vacuum is drawing all the air into the vacuum itself. Check this out. This is the bristle tip right here, kind of neat. These pieces have little detents in them like a socket. You just push them in and they interlock as many as you need. You can see that this is super flexible, and I'll just run the drill on a slow speed and basically bore that 4-inch hose out. All right, so you can see I'm just gonna get that started like so, then go back to the drill. And then I'll guide this thing in. Yep. Keep going. Keep going. Nice. Keep going. Keep going, honey. Just keep continuous now. Continuous. Okay.
Now back out?
Yep. Go ahead. Yeah, keep coming. Wow, look at that. Terrific. All right, I'm gonna go see how it did inside. Now, towards the end, obviously, I pushed it all the way through, and it pulled this, or pushed this out of the bottom of the hose, but look at the frickin' debris. Not to mention what I already vacuumed up into the shop vac. So shame on me, man. I should be doing this regularly, and this is a serious one. Got to do this on a regular basis to prevent a house fire from the dryer. Hey, if you think I'm kidding you, that's freaking bad. Shame on me, man. It's got to be done a lot regular. Got to pay attention to this. That is all lint from inside the hose. That little Lint Wizard was worth its weight in gold.